Okay, today we're going to talk about how to make a super simple and free side tab for your WordPress website using a plugin that we created, and we're going to give it to you for free. So don't worry about that. Stick around, and we'll also have descriptions in the YouTube video itself. So don't worry about that at the moment, and let's jump in. But here is the side tab that we created with the plugin. And let's just think about what is a side tab for a minute. And it's really just a promo text or link that you can add to your website to show something new or an offer that you have, some sort of a call to action that you want a website user to go to without them having to think too much, and that it's not normally part of your navigation. You don't always want to use this necessarily. It's just one option. You can show a new message to your customer and they'll be able to see it very quickly and easily. So if you're an e-commerce store, you might want to show them a discount coupon, a free shipping announcement, some sort of a clearance section or link. Or if you have a new product, if you have a website, you might want to show a newsletter. You know, even if you're closed today, maybe you have some sort of a course that you have, a consulting offer, or in this case, we actually have a free plugin, Side Tab plugin for WordPress to download, and a link to that landing page and funnel that we will also show you in this video. So let's jump to the settings within WordPress, which are here. As you can see, it's a super simple settings setup, and you can find it within settings in your WordPress admin. You go down to settings and sidebar tab. Once the plugin is installed, we have a zip file that we'll give you, and we'll show you where to get it afterwards, so don't worry. And we'll just explain what the deal is. And basically you can enable it or disable it with this button, and then you save it if you want it to show up on your website. Or if you don't want it to show, of course, you click the disable, or really just the tick box here, and then it won't be enabled anymore. So in this case, we're showing the Side Tab WordPress plugin and a link where you can find and download the plugin through an email collection funnel that we also built. You can change the color with the color picker here for the background of the tab. You can also change the link color if you want it to look like that, the position left or right. You can also show if it goes on all pages and posts or just a specific page and post. And in this case, we're using a specific one. And the ID of the page is 237, which is this page right here. So it's going to only show up on this specific page. And if you don't know how to find the ID of a page, you can just go to your page or post and then highlight over the edit button, and it will show you the ID. Because normally you have pretty permalinks installed on WordPress, so you don't have some weird number, or so you don't have a weird number, and you do have an actual word description of your link or URL. And then that's basically it. So it makes it a super simple way of adding a promotional tab to your WordPress website. And we're going to give you the code that's super simple. So if you're a coder or a dabbler like myself, you can edit anything and change how it looks, change some of the functionality, and use it however you want. And so let's see what we're actually doing on our funnel example now. So if you go to the side tab, let's click on it. This is our call to action. We want you to download this plugin that we made for you. So this is actually connected to the side tab. So we actually made a funnel that you could also do with the lead slide software. So this funnel was completely made with our software, which has a landing page, an email pop-up, and as well as a thank you email with the download link. And basically all you do is you click here to download the plugin, and you put your name and your email address. We'll try it here. We'll say Addison support at leadslide.com, and thank you for subscribing. So you will get your plugin link when you go to that page, when you go to your email, and then you can download the WordPress plugin and install the WordPress plugin like you would do any other plugin, and you can upload it. You just go to plugins over here, add new, and then you would just simply upload the plugin. So this isn't on the WordPress store currently because it's just a super simple plugin, and to give you an idea of what you might want to do, it's a pretty cool promotional tool though, as well as our funnel collectors. So we're going to be giving you cool free promotional website tools to help you increase conversions and build your audience, but we're also going to show you ways that you can integrate it with our software, or of course you can use whatever you want, some other landing page, or it doesn't even have to be a landing page, and with the tab you can just put a message if you want. So you can use this plugin. I think it's pretty cool, completely free to use, and you can try it to use it in any different way and let us know what you think, or what other kind of tools you might want to try on your WordPress website that you don't have.